Hello guys, welcome to my session. This is of the form dy by dx, okay, plus py is equal to q by power n. That is Bernoulli's differential equation. This is actually Bernoulli's differential equation. P and q should be constants. P and q should be constants or functions of x alone, but you have y on the right side. So I'm going to cross multiply the 2y. So this becomes 2y, okay, into dy by dx is equal dy by dx plus 2 and 2 cancels, you will get y square, okay, y square into sec x is equal to tan x. Okay, now I'm going to put y square is equal to t. If I differentiate, I get 2y dy by dx, okay, is equal to dt by dx. So this 2y dy by dx will be equal to dt upon dx plus this is t. Okay, I took y square is equal to t, and then this equal to sec x, okay, is equal to tan x. Now this is of the form dt by dx plus pt is equal to q. Now p will be equal to sec x and q will be equal to tan x. Q is equal to tan x. Okay, now if is equal to e per integral p dx. Okay, if is equal to e per integration of p dx e to the power of integration of sec x. Okay, e power sec x will be equal to log of sec x plus tan x. Log of this is sec plus tan. E per log x is x only, so you will get this as sec plus tan. Okay, now the solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor, okay, and then dx plus c. You get y into if is equal to sec x plus tan x. Okay, sec plus tan is equal to integral q into if. Q will be equal to tan x, okay, and then if will be equal to sec x plus tan x. So this is sec plus tan, okay, and then dx plus c. Now if you multiply this, you get y into this is sec x plus tan x. Y into sec plus tan, okay, is equal to this will be equal to sec x tan x dx. Okay, sec x tan x dx plus you get tan square x dx. Okay, and then plus c. Now this is y into sec x plus tan x, y into sec plus tan, okay, is equal to this is sec x into tan x, and tan square x can be written as this is integration of sec x tan x dx. Okay, and then tan square x can be written as sec square x minus 1 and then dx plus c. So I get y into sec x plus tan x. Okay, this is sec plus tan, and integration of sec x tan x will be equal to sec x. So this is, okay, this is sec x, and integration of sec square x will be equal to tan x. Okay, integration of dx is x plus the constant c. You call equation 1. Okay, now it is given in the question that y of 0 is equal to 1. That is when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Okay, again this is t into integrating factor, right? Because I get dt by dx. Okay, so this is t into integrating factor. So the value of t is equal to y square. So this is y square. Okay, now here you check. So this is dt by dx plus pt is equal to q. Now if I use the boundary values, x is equal to 0, y equal to 1, sec 0 is 1 is equal to sec 0 1, tan 0 will be 0, x is 0 plus c. So c is equal to 0. If I substitute back in equation 1, okay, so you will get this is t y square, okay, into a bracket you get sec plus tan. Sec x plus tan x, okay, is equal to sec plus tan. Okay, sec x plus tan x minus x. Okay, so I'm going to divide by sec x plus tan x. If I divide throughout by sec plus tan, you get y square is equal to Okay, so this is y square is equal to sec plus tan will cancel, you get minus 1, so you get x divided by, this is sec x plus tan x. Okay, that's answer guys. Answer will be equal to y square is equal to 1 divided by x minus x upon sec plus tan. Answer is option D. This is already in standard form. This is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Okay, now p is equal to tan x and q is equal to sin 2x. Now integrating factor is equal to e per integral p dx. So this is e per integration of tan x, okay, dx. Integration of tan x is log sec x. Okay, e per log sec x will be equal to sec x. Now the solution is y into integrating factor, okay, is equal to integral q into integrating factor and then dx plus c. So y into if is equal to sec x, okay, is equal to integral q. Q is equal to sin 2x. Sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, if is equal to sec x and then this is dx plus c. Okay, I'm going to cancel cos and sec. You get y into sec x, okay, is equal to integration of sin x is minus cos x and then this is plus c. Okay, let's call equation 1. It is, if I use the boundary values, y of 0 equal to 1, that is when x is equal to 0, y equal to 1. Okay, now sec 0 is 1, right? 1 is equal to minus 2, cos 0 is 1 plus c. So c is equal to plus 3. If I substitute in equation 1 becomes y into sec x, okay, is equal to minus 2 into cos x, c is equal to plus 3. Okay, now I am supposed to find out what is y of pi. That is when x is equal to pi, what should be the value of y? Sec pi is minus 1, okay, cos pi minus 1 plus 3. So minus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to minus 5. Answer is option C. Okay guys, let's bring this to standard form. Okay, here if I divide by sin 2x, okay, so this becomes dy by dx minus root of tan x minus y divided by sin 2x, okay, is equal to 0. I'm dividing throughout by sin 2x, so this can be written as dy by dx, okay, minus 1 by sin is cosec, so this is cosec 2x into y is equal to root of tan x. Okay, now this is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. You get p is equal to minus cosec 2x. Okay, and then q is equal to root of tan x. Now if is equal to e per integral p dx. So this is e to the power of integration of minus cosec 2x. Okay, minus I take outside. Integration of cosec 2x will be equal to log of cosec 2x. This is log of cosec 2x. Okay, minus cot 2x. Coefficient of x is 2 divided by 2. Okay, now let me simplify this. If is equal to e to the power of minus log of cosec 2x can be written as 1 by sin 2x. Okay, and then cot 2x can be written as cos 2x, okay, upon sin 2x. Whole divided by 2, so I'll keep half here. So this is equal to e to the power of minus half. Okay, and then this is equal to log of LCM is sin 2x. So this is denominator the same, numerators can be added or subtracted. So this is e to the power of minus half of, this is log of 1 minus cos 2x is actually 2 sin square x. And sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, so this 2 and 2 cancels, sin will cancel with the square. You get e to the power of minus half of log of tan x. Okay, now this is equal to e to the power of minus log of tan x to the power of minus half. E per log x is x. you get tan x to the power of minus half. Okay, so that is 1 by root of tan x. Okay, 1 by root of tan x, that is equal to root cot x. Okay, now the solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor, okay, and then dx plus c. Now y into integrating factor will be equal to root of cot x is equal to integral q into integrating factor. Q is equal to root tan. So this is root tan. IF is equal to root cot, okay, and then dx plus c. Anyways, this fellow will get cancelled. You get y into root cot x, okay, is equal to x plus c. Okay, now y into root cot x is equal to x plus c. Answer is option D. Okay, question number 69. This is a simple question, guys. It's directly in standard form. Divide by 1 plus x square, linear differential equation. You will get dy by dx, okay, plus 2x upon 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square into y is equal to 4x square upon 1 plus x square. So this is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Okay, now p is equal to 2x upon 1 plus x square and q is equal to 4x square upon 1 plus x square. Okay, now integrating factor will be e per integral p dx. Okay, e per integration of p dx, e to the power of p value is 2x upon 1 plus x square. You differentiate denominator, you get numerator. This can be written as log of denominator. Okay, e per log x is x, that is equal to 1 plus x square. Solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor, okay, and then dx plus c. Now y into integrating factor is 1 plus x square is equal to integral q, that is 4x square divided by 1 plus x square. IF is equal to 1 plus x square, okay, and then dx plus c. So that 1 plus x square will cancel with 1 plus x square. So this will get cancelled. Okay, so this is 1 plus x square will cancel with 1 plus x square. Y into 1 plus x square is equal to 4 integration of x square is x cube by 3 and plus c. You call equation 1. Now it passes through the origin, right? You put x as 0, y as 0. Okay, obviously c will be equal to 0. So if I substitute in equation 1 becomes y into 1 plus x square. Y into 1 plus x square is equal to 4x cube by 3. If I cross multiply, you will get this as 3y, 3 into 1 plus x square into y, okay, is equal to 4x cube. That's answer, guys. Okay, answer is option D. Question number 70, you have to just find the integrating factor. If I divide throughout by x square minus 1, okay, so you get dy by dx plus 2x divided by x square minus 1, okay, into y is equal to x upon x square minus 1. So this is of the form dy by dx plus, okay, py is equal to q. Now p is equal to p is equal to 2x upon x square minus 1. I want only integrating factor. IF is equal to e per integration of p dx. Okay, so this is e per integration of 2x upon x square minus 1 dx. You differentiate denominator, you get numerator, so it is log of x square minus 1. E per log x is x, you get x square minus 1. Okay, answer is option B. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do like, watch and share my video. Thank you, guys.